Ayan. Hi, Litze. Ayan. Anong first impression mo kay Dikong?
Si Dikong? Naaalala ko pa. Nung una namin punta dito, akala ko si Dikong ay hindi malalapitan. Akala ko hindi siya friendly. Ngunit, hindi naman pala. Napaka-friendly.
Dala, first impression lang, no? Yun.
Sorry.
So, nasabi mo na.
Sorry.
Ayan. Paano mo i-describe si Dikong in 2 words? 2 words lang.
Dikong is mathematically challenged.
Ayun lang. Mathematically challenged. Sige. What makes Dikong Dikong?
I think that Dikong is made up of his impersonatory talent that makes him unique from others.
Ilang months na pagkakilala.
Ayun. What is your happiest moment with Dikong so far?
That time, almost all the time here in our dormitory.
Okay. So, what's the most embarrassing?
That is very obvious. The time on our echo camp when we went to the stage and then do our best, but we didn't win.
Okay. Kung magiging bagay si Dikong thing ha, ano siya?
For me, I think Dikong is a microphone
Bakit?
because he can impersonate many great actors and actresses.
Okay. Sting. Ito. Sino si Dikong based sa ilang months na pagkakakilala mo sa kanya?
Dikong is a person who is very friendly, always there to help you when you are in need, and he is very accountable.
Okay. Yan, ito. Second to the last question. Ano ba yun? Give a knock-knock na si Dikong yung who's there.
Oh, that is so easy. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Dikong.
Dikong who?
Dikong ba? O Dikong ba? Dikong ba? O Dikong ba? Dikong ba?
Yes! Ayun. Yan. Ay, meron pa pala yung last. Ayan,
Okay.
last. Ano message mo for Dikong
Ayan,
for
last na message
in his
ko to.
birthday?
Dikong, happy birthday and always be happy. Keep on trying and never give up. Always do your best and thanks for everything.
Yay!